description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got something. This isn't going to be the last of these, but look at this thing. Whoa! This came from the new TNT market. As you can see, there's a little thing saying I bought it and I'm not walking out of the store without paying for it. Yeah. But it's a big super cup and it's like super thick cardboard and it's got a bunch of varieties in it. And it was like 13 bucks and it's a tie-in for Lunar New Year. So that's rad. But this is the one we're doing today. It's a chili oil potato noodle. So, yes, sir. Hope you are doing well. Look, it comes with a fork, but I'm in the kitchen, so I don't need to worry about such things. Oh yeah, I was gonna do it in the pot. I might as well just do it in the pot because I gotta cut that thing up and scan it. So I'm gonna turn the heat off. Because you steep it and drain it, so I might as well, right? When I scan these things, it's better if it's not coated in, like, chili oil, even though... Is there a sachet in here? So yeah, this is a weird potato noodle. I'm looking to see if there's one of those do not eats in here, but I'm not seeing one, so that's a plus. This has to go for 5 minutes of steeping. So there is our 5 minutes. It's February 6th? It's the 5th or the 6th? I think it's the 6th. Today is National Fart Day, according to... I don't know, I do a note for my wife every morning, a sticky note. I like get up, wipe the face out of my face, and then do a little sticky note. And the kids do sticky notes too, but I always do it themed based on when I type in what day is it. Yeah. And today is National Fart Day. It was a bunch of other things, but that one was like, okay, I'll draw a picture of me like whistling like something else is going on and a little cloud coming out from my posterior region. Yeah. It is nice out. And with that, it's nice. For the 4th day in a row, wait. Yeah, I've walked this week 36 miles? Yeah, that sounds about right. I think it's been about 36 miles. Ooh, I can do this while we wait for it to steep. But yeah, the weather is nice. It's supposed to get like nasty again pretty quick. Get colder, nice and cloudy. I don't know. I generally, my thing that I don't like is when it's cloudy. I mean, I like it when it's cloudy. What I don't like is when it's rainy and windy. And I don't like it to be warm, like warm, rainy, and windy. That is like my least favorite thing, where it's just like raining and it's going right in your face and it's uncomfortably warm to wear a coat. We get that kind of, I don't know how to dress myself weather. I dislike that. Oh, okay. But yeah, I cut these up. I cut them all up and I do, I scan them for each review. thinking about doing a fundraiser because, oh boy, lately, I tell you. But yeah, if everybody got on my Patreon that really likes the show, that really likes what I do, and just did $1, I've got like people doing that I would let sit in Patreon until it was just like, oh, need money, and then could cash that out. That would be really, 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 really helpful. See? Then I scan this, I take it into Photoshop, I use the circle tool, make a big circle, pull it down so it's like as close to this as possible, cut the background, do the bottom, do the square tool, do that and that, put it at 3,500 pixels wide, save that one, do it at 500 pixels wide, save that with an A on the end of it. If you were so interested, but that's a thing. Okay, we got a minute left. Is this starting to come apart? I wish it were like 5 to 7 minutes, because this doesn't look like it's going to do all that great in 5 minutes. I'm going to be totally honest about that. It's an odd noodle. It seems more like a rice noodle. But I think it's sweet potato thick monstrosity here. I don't know. I'm not expecting wonder, but you never know. Could be good. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to get a hold of my brother and go back out walking. And I was supposed to, I had a stereo receiver that we were going to go down and meet up the guy who's on Facebook Marketplace, and he had to back out because he got a big bill. And it's just like, oh, that really sucks, but I can dig it. Can't feel like, man, you gotta do that. It's like, I totally understand. We got a bill that I didn't know about. My wife told me. I can't make this purchase right now. I'm really, really sorry. I was like, things happen. They still haven't found Savannah Guthrie's mother. That's the big news right now. They're sending the FBI head down to help with that. I don't think that's going to be helpful, but you never know. We're going to devote all our assets to finding your mother. I mean, it's pretty sad. I mean, if your mom, my mom and dad they passed a while back, but if my mom all of a sudden went missing, oh my God, that would be crazy. So I hope TV lady finds her mom. Well, her and her siblings. It's funny though, because I'm sure there's plenty of people in the country who have that same kind of thing going on. I mean, kidnapping is a thing, but it doesn't get as much. It's like, why does... It's not good when it happens to anybody, if that happened, you know? But why does it seem like people who are in the public eye or famous, they get more press for it than just normal Joe Schmo? It's like, Joe Schmo's mom's gone missing. Did you know about that? No, I didn't hear. This lady's mom goes missing. It's like front story on all the networks. I mean, what about not in the public eye person? It's like the Lindbergh baby all over again. That was a crazy one. Oh, you guys weren't around for that. So when the Lindbergh baby, so Charles Lindbergh was a famous aviator, right? And I remember when his baby got kidnapped. That was huge. Totally remember that. I don't know why these people do such awful things to their fellow human. But, you know, don't kidnap people's babies or their moms. Jesus Christ. So here's what we got. I'm very curious about this. Cheers. That's a good one. Oh, wow. So, my impression of that is it's like the noodle is not chewy for the most part, and it's not too soft. It reminds me of what I wish konjac noodle were like, but it's not, because that stuff's very much more rubber bandy. But it's good. Wow, I really want to eat all that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave you like that, because if I don't and I move it around too much, it's gonna make a big mess, because it's very greasy. There. Whoa, come on, let go. There. So, offset. So we'll be doing some photoshopping. I mean, I always do photoshopping. But still. I gotta say, I really like Photoshop. I think there's some things they could do better with it. Like, for example, sometimes it just crashes out of nowhere. And that ain't cool. I'm gonna say that right off the bat. Let's add a bit of chili crisp to this sucker. This is store brand. This is Safeway, which is part of like the Albertsons network of expensive, overpriced grocery stores. There, I said it. But it's their store branded garlic chili crisp. Yeah. Which I think is a weird thing. But it's cheap and it looks the part, so I can't complain about that. And I think that's about as far as we're going today on this. I'm out of scallions, hoping to get some more. Yeah. It's good. It's good. I'm curious about the rest of the ones that come in this bucket. But yeah, Rotato, do your stuff. Alright, well thanks for watching. I'm gonna go take the pretty pictures and stuff, and yeah, think about it. If you can afford to like do $1 a month on my Patreon, it's down in the description for this video. That would really be great. So yeah. And if you haven't, I highly there we go. I recommend you go check out www.theramenrater.com. I've got top 10 lists, bottom 10 lists, all sorts of crazy stuff over there. I've been doing this for over 20 years, so I've got over 5,000 reviews of instant noodles from all around the world. So check it out. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.